Hey guys, it's Ariel and welcome back to my channel. Now, I know what you're all thinking. Ariel, your hair looks really burned.
You're absolutely correct.
No, I'm just kidding. Well, actually, technically, I'm not kidding. My hair looks really burned.
It's fine.
How are you guys? Just checking in. Are you guys feeling okay? I know this quarantine is crazy. Hopefully, it's almost over, fingers crossed. But I mean, obviously, health and safety come first. So let's ride it out until we can, go clubbing again and have social interact. Oh my god. So today's video is super fun. I was sent a PR package from Haus Labs, that is Lady Gaga's makeup line, Haus Labs. So I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. Haus Laboratories Chromatica. It comes in this very pretty pink chrome Attica packaging. So let's go ahead and slurred her. Oh. It just opens. Okay. So we're just gonna go ahead.
Hi, girl.
So Lady Gaga's here with me right now. So what would you say is your favorite part about this makeup line? So here we have the palette and the... Is this a lip? Oh.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, it's eyeliner. It's the liquid eyeliner. Okay, gotcha. I put my contacts in first and I cannot see anything. So we have the Stupid Love palette right here from Haus Laboratories. So, oh look, it's her. She's very excited to be alive, relaxed, and ready to party. I'm into it. This makeup look is not something I would particularly buy for myself. It is an old maiden type of eye. She should have put that makeup back on the shelf because it said it should have been worn by somebody. I'm just kidding. She looks very cute, but I kind of want to use these colors, but in a more me fashion, you know? So let's take a look at these colors. Now, honestly, I expected right out the gate for them to be a lot of pinks. That is not the case. They are all blue. I would say it's primarily blue, like cool tone, warm tone McGee. I like it. I was like gagged that it wasn't like a lot of pink, kind of like how the vibe of the album and the kind of like how the vibe of the album and the music video has been going, but I digress. There's lots of pretty colors. There's a lot of shimmery colors, a good amount of mattes, so it's like a good combination of both. What am I doing today on my eye? I have no fucking idea. We're just gonna play. I think we are gonna do like a clashing cool tone, warm tone eye and just see how that Gagarama kind of goes. Now, I do love that there's a mirror right here. Oh, is there a plant stake to peel off? This is a very nice size mirror. I love that there's a mirror on this. So I can just, you know, go ahead and just dip right in. I have prepped my eyes with the P. Louise base in the shade 2. So I think that right off the bat, I would love to go into the shade. I'm really feeling peace.
Peace in the crease.
Oh, all right. Oh, all right, Pigmentisha Sparks. Little fallout, but right off the gate, this is super pigmented. Blends out really nicely too. All right, now that we have that shade on there called Peace, we're gonna tap into the shade Enigma, and we're just gonna use this to blend it out. And I'm sorry if the audio is a little weird on this video, but my boyfriend is blasting Shakira downstairs, so I'm gonna have to like sound correct the video. So I will say, so far so good. This is blending out really nicely. You know, when a lot of like celebrities come out with like makeup lines, I feel like a lot of times it's very hit or miss, mostly the miss because they just kind of want to get a makeup product out there. Now, I know there are some lines that go very, very in depth with their makeup and, you know, just they're always ensuring that the product is a 10 out of 10. I don't know how involved Lady Gaga is with this. I would hope a lot, but I mean, the product itself, I mean, it's performing really nicely. I'm going to take a little bit more of that color piece and just throw that on here, but the pigment's really nice. The blending out is good. They're blending together well. Together forever. So yeah, real quick, I'm going to take some of my white Jeffree Star concealer and cut my crease. Now we're just going to take this clean fluffy brush and we're just going to blend out the edges of that white. Use it to like prime the outer lid. Now that I don't look like an idiot, we are going to go ahead and add some intensity. These are all shimmery, but I think I want to take this shade Fun Tonight and put this in. Let's just do it. We're going to put it in the outer corner. Not a whole lot of dark matte shades. Oh, There's that color My Mind, but that's on the warm side. We'll get to that. Okay, I think she's doing her chore. Obviously, a matte would have been ideal, but we're just gonna lay this down as a base. I think we'll blend that darker warm brown into it later, but that gives me enough smokiness for now. All right, now obviously this color right here, Plastic Doll, is speaking to me, so I think that we are going to use this as my lid color going into the white 911. So let's see how this one is. This is a matte shade. Oh, this is the color it is on the pan, but for some reason I expected something else, but I'm pleased with what I'm seeing. This color is very pigmented. I'm just gonna use that fluffy brush again to blend onto this. I will say so far, I am very, very pleased with this. So here's what we got going on so far. Now I'm gonna use that same kind of flat brush and we're gonna tap into the shade 911, which is the white. And let's see how this white performs. Oh my God, House Labs, thank God for you. This white's actually very nice. I'm adding a little bit more of that color Plastic Doll because I don't want to completely wash that tone out. Now I'm very curious about this color, and for the sake of using as many shades as possible in this one look, I'm going to tap into this orange color, Enemy, and we're just going to put that right here. I'm just going to try to use everything I can, guys. Oh, fuck yes. I will say that color, Enemy, just completely overpowered that other color, but you know what? If that's the case, she got to go, because this is really pretty. Again, just adding in a little more Plastic Doll just to blend out. I guess that's a good blending shade for these warmer tones. But this color, Enemy, is killer. All right, now that we have that color in there, I want to use the color Stupid Love to kind of smoke out that little Gigarama area right here and blend it out. So let's go ahead and see what that does. There's another color in here called My Mind that's more neutral. Let's just see what this looks like. All right, this color's really, really pretty as well. I think that this color would be really pretty for like anyone out there who prefers like a just really pretty brown smoky eye, maybe with a little black in the corner. This color, whew, Stupid Love, is gonna be really pretty for a brown smoky eye, super warm, super complementary to any skin tone. Has like that nice balance of red in it to keep everything looking nice and warm, but it's just like a very good chocolate brown. So yeah, that's really pretty. Now just to give one final blend out to kind of melt the warm and the cool colors together, because it's kind of hard. You got to get a really good neutral. I'm going to take this color called My Mind, and we're just going to throw that right in that outer edge. Oh yeah, that is exactly what that needed. Look at that. You know what? That's really cool though, that there's colors in here that can very evenly balance out cool to warm tones, because although I do have two completely different color schemes going on here in my eye, I feel like it's still blending out. So the color choices were really nice and cohesive for this palette. So thumbs up to that. Now that we got all that beauty going on there, let's go take a head.
Oh!
Where did Free Woman go? She's on the floor. Are you feeling like a free woman? You jumped out of the fucking palette. Okay, so we're just gonna take some white concealer and just clean up under this brow. Gently blend that downward. Here's the important time to fine tune that blend. We're gonna take that color Enigma again, that like lighter blue out of the blues, and we're just gonna pop that right on here to blend it out. And now we're just going to gently set this with that white shade, 911. Now that we have that on there, let's go ahead and quickly touch up the brow. Now I'm going to prep the under eye. I'm just going to take this blue eyeliner from Revlon. It's in the shade just Sapphire, and I'm going to gonna line my waterline and blend out underneath of my lash line to kind of, you know, give a base to my eyeshadow. Now that we have that on there, we're gonna go ahead and use this little spongy thing that's on the end of an eyeliner to kind of blend out underneath the eye. Whenever I put this eyeliner color on just underneath my eye, I never wanna add anything to it because it looks so pretty on its own. But because I do wanna obviously utilize more colors from the palette, I think I'm just gonna top this off with a shade we have not used yet, and that is Senna, like from the Hunger Games, Sen. It's this electric blue, so let's just go ahead and lightly graze this under the eye. Yeah, that's a really beautiful blue shade. Now we're just gonna go ahead and take this fluffy brush, tap back into that shade Enigma one more time, that lighter blue, that it's very Alice from Alice in Wonderland blue. And we're just gonna use that to fully blend out that under eye area. Yeah, you see the difference? Way more fused out now. I really love this palette. Now I'm just gonna use this big fluffy brush to kind of blend away any excess shadow. Keep it right under the eye. We don't want to drag it down too far because Mama has not gotten any fillers in over 2 months, so. I'm excited for this part. We're gonna tap into the House Laboratories liquid eyeliner in the shade, which is black, liquid eyeliner. Oh, Punk. So we're gonna go ahead and see how this applies. I've just used that like liquid elf liner that you dunk in for a while. So this is the first time in a while I've used a felt tip liner. So let's see how this performs. It looks like it has a pretty sharp tip, so. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this is going on literally awesome. I also notice I always have problems with my eyeliner bleeding out in the inner corner, and this is not doing that. It's a super pigmented black shade too, and it's drying really fast. I don't know if this is premature, but I would definitely continue the usage and purchasing of this eyeliner past this video. Now I'm gonna gently take this eyeliner and we're just gonna sweep this right under the lash line, about halfway, and connect it to the top. Now really quickly, using this blue NYX liquid liner, we're just gonna go ahead and line our wing with some blue dots. Now that we have that little accent on there, we're gonna go ahead and coat the lashes with some mascara. All right, well, now that the eyes are done, using our House Laboratories Lady Gaga Stupid Love palette and the amazing Punk eyeliner, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this color Leo from Jeffree Star, throw on a quick lip. Now I'm gonna top this with a little YSL lipstick in the shade It Is Rubbed Off. These YSL lipsticks are literally the bomb. Now we are, of course, just gonna throw on some MAC Soft and Gentle. All right, now we are going to set it and forget it. Just using the regular Morphe setting spray. All right, well, now that our eyes and face are beat to capacity with this amazing palette, I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on off camera and get dressed and get into our final Lady Gaga Stupid Love palette transformation. Alright guys, so I hope you thoroughly enjoyed my transformation using the House Laboratories Lady Gaga Stupid Love eyeshadow palette and the eyeliner. I love that eyeliner. I'm going to continue using it. This palette, I would give this an A, other than Miss Free fucking Lady or Free Woman jumping out of the palette, but you know what? That's okay. She had to go get her groceries, we're quarantined. Homegirl needs some buffalo chicken like your homegirl right here, so you know what? Props to her. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are not already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you know when I post new videos. Also, just a reminder, I am on Cameo, so if you would like a selfie style video from me to you, hit me up on @Ariel Versace on Cameo. And this just in, I am on Patreon now. I will link it down below. So if you guys want to help a bitch out, to help fund me to make videos for this channel, I appreciate anything and everything and all of your support. I love you guys. And as always, yes.